Part 5, doing more body work. Started DA in the front nose down to bare metal and noticed the bottom had a bunch of rust holes. The lower nose section there. There's Chloe zooming by on her scooter. Here I was just cleaning the jams, wire wheel. There's a better view of the holes. Jeff got a grinder out and started cutting into it. Got the front nose cut off here. Looked at the intersection. Pretty rusty. There's 2 layers. We got both the outer and the other layer off. We were cutting off the other inner layer there. Got it all out. Here I sprayed the POR 15 all over the areas that were a little bit rusty, and a couple other areas I just went over all that to help prevent any future rust. Did the inner floor where I was had the paint out up underneath the heater tubes. The new parts, the 2 intersections, got it from Autocraft. And the brackets, got it all prepped up there. Jeff started welding it on. Weld the inner and outer areas. Here we had to drill out a bunch of holes so we can weld it on. Here we got it all prepped up. There it is, all welded on. Put a little paint on it. Had to grind a little bit more here to get the outer section to line up. Just prepping that panel to go on. Had to cut a little bit more off to get it all lined up. Then we got it prepped out, clamped on, and Jeff started welding it all. There it is, finished welded. I ground out all the welds here, down to bare metal there, everything. Got it all in body filler and then sprayed primer on it. Started pre-fitting all the trim there. That's my dog Rogue, and my daughter Chloe, and Stacy, my wife. Here we started repairing the lower door section. Had to replace the inner and outer on each of the panel doors. They're pretty bad, but luckily they sell parts to replace all that stuff. Jeff cutting here, the lower section. Got the inner prepped on there. Outer welded on, and started welding on the other sections. The other door there, welded that other outer panel on. Here I started grinding off all the old paint and priming the jams on the front doors. Did the body work. And then primed it all. Turned out really nice. Started grinding off all the old undercoating because it was kind of chipping off. That was a real dirty job. Took a lot of time, but got it all out, primed it all. Looks really nice now. Here's the underside. I'm going to spray Raptor liner undercoating on everything. After we replaced all the floors, I ground down all the frame rails. Here's prepping everything, getting it all masked up, ready to go. Start spraying. Start mixing the Raptor liner. It's super easy to mix. Great product. I highly recommend it. Here I was just spraying one of the wheel wells in the back. This was kind of hard because I had to crawl underneath it and spray, and I didn't have the bus up very high, but I made it work. Turned out really nice. I ended up going with the gray color because I was doing the bottom of the bus is going to be mouse gray. So I wanted it to all match underneath the lower section. It's all done. It's really nice. It's very durable. My wife here priming for the very first time. She did really well. Here's Chloe. She was helping me scuffing the inside of the bus, and then we started masking for the last time. Last layer of primer on the outer section. She was helping me mask everything up. Got it all ready to go. I ended up doing 2 different layers of primer. I blocked the first layer, and then this was the final coat here. The walk around before paint. The lower apron there is brand new. Got it from Klassic Fab. It fit pretty well. I had to do a little grinding on it, but for the most part it was pretty nice. My other one was really rusty. Side panel. I'm gonna block everything down before I take it to the paint booth. Everything turned out really nice. Front nose. Our repair was really good. It's the doors. All the parts are over here. It's getting it ready to go to the paint booth. Pretty excited. It's almost time to get some color on it. I ended up buying new bumpers for it, overriders. Just got all the parts prepped and ready to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate you. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.